Okay, so in the previous class we were discussing the gas power cycles, so we will continue with that. So we discussed about the basic components of a reciprocating engine. So reciprocating engine is basically a piston cylinder assembly. Okay, so here this boundary is known as piston cylinder, and this component is known as piston, and it has got two valves at the head. One is the inlet intake valve, other is exhaust valve. So from intake valve, the air fuel mixture comes into the uh, uh, piston cylinder assembly, and the different various strokes takes place. The stroke is basically the displacement of the piston from BDC to TDC or TDC to BDC. So in simple words, the movement of piston between TDC and BDC is known as stroke. So if the piston moves from BDC to TDC, then that uh, distance will be known as one complete stroke. So now if you see here, piston is placed at bottom dead center in the figure number A. So the volume contained in the cylinder will be displacement volume. So this is the complete volume. Okay, when the piston is placed at bottom dead center, the volume inside the cylinder is known as displacement volume. Then if you see here in the figure number B, the piston is placed at top dead center. Okay, now the volume between head and when the piston is placed at the top dead center, this complete volume is known as clearance volume. Okay, so this clearance volume is provided for the valve mechanism to operate. Okay, if this volume is not available, then the valve will not be able to operate, because these valves require some space to move downward. So if the valve is going to operate, then this valve will come down. Then from here there will be an opening from where the fuel will be coming into the cylinder. Air fuel mixture will be coming into the cylinder, and when exhaust stroke will take place, this valve will come down and there will be an opening, and therefore the exhaust gases will go from here.